the Pradhan Mantri National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme or PM NAPS is a Government of India initiative that enables youth to gain industry-relevant skills, practical training, and on-the-job experience through apprenticeships. As a candidate, the PM NAPS portal helps you explore opportunities, apply to roles that match your skills, sign apprenticeship contracts, and access scheme benefits. To begin your apprenticeship journey, registration on the portal and completion of your profile are mandatory. Now, let's walk through the simple steps to register as a candidate and get started on the apprenticeship portal. Step 1. Register as a candidate. To begin, click on the Login Register tab on the apprenticeship portal and select Candidate. Now, click on Register as a candidate. Fill in all required details. If you are an ITI student, tick the checkbox and enter your ITI roll number. Your basic details will auto-fetch from the database. Once you submit the form, your unique apprentice code is generated, and an activation link is sent to your registered email ID. Open the email and click the activation link to activate your account. Step 2. Log in after registration. After activation, go to the candidate login page. Enter your registered email ID, validated using the OTP, and log in. Your candidate dashboard will now appear. Step 3. Complete profile and eKYC. Before moving ahead, completing eKYC and your candidate profile is mandatory. Click on eKYC, enter your Aadhaar or VID number, and provide consent. An OTP will be sent to your Aadhaar-linked mobile number. Once validated, your name, date of birth, gender, parent's name, and profile photo will auto-fetch from Aadhaar. These details cannot be edited. If you wish to change your profile photo, you can upload a new one at this stage. Ensure the file is in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format and under 4 MB. Now that eKYC is completed, click on Profile Details to fill in your basic details, mother's name, category, and upload your signature image. Next, update your qualification, either education-based or training-based under schemes like Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gramin Kaushalya Yojana, DDU, GKY, or Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana, PMKVY. Upload scanned supporting documents in JPG, JPEG, or PNG format, and the file size should be under 4 MB. You can also update your registered mobile number anytime after OTP validation. Step 4. Update the bank details. Enter your bank IFSC code and click Find. Your bank name will auto-fetch. Enter your account number and select your account type. Tick the confirmation checkbox declaring that your DBT amount will be credited only to your Aadhaar seeded bank account. Your profile must be 100% complete for establishments to view it. Step 5. Beneficiary ID creation. After eKYC, your Aadhaar details are sent to Public Financial Management System PFMS for beneficiary ID creation. This is essential for signing NAPS contracts. You can still sign non-NAPS contracts without it. Once your beneficiary ID is created, you can start applying to opportunities. Step 6. Apply for opportunities. Click on View All to see apprenticeship opportunities posted by establishments. Filter, explore, and apply to the roles that match your profile. Track your applications under the Applications tab. You can also view invitations from establishments under the Invitations tab. Step 7. Contract signing. When an establishment issues a contract, a temporary contract code is generated and is valid for 7 days. You can choose to sign or reject the contract. Before signing, carefully check the job role, duration, establishment name, working days, and location. Once signed, the status updates from pending to signed. Once contract is signed, goes to apprenticeship advisor for approval. You may download your contract letter anytime. Step 8. Stipend tracking. If the establishment processes stipend through the apprenticeship gateway, you can view your monthly stipend details under the stipend tab. Track stipend month-wise and review detailed information. Step 9. To check DBT status. Go to the apprenticeship homepage, Dashboard, DBT tile. Enter your apprentice code and contract code to view your DBT monthly status. Step 10. Raise a support ticket. For any technical issues, click on Technical Support. Sign up or log in with your email and mobile number. Click Add Ticket. Select Apprenticeship NAP Support. Describe your issue, attach screenshots if needed, and submit. A unique ticket ID will be generated, and you can track it under Open, Closed, or On Hold sections. With these simple steps, candidates can easily register on the portal, complete their profile, and start applying for apprenticeship opportunities across sectors, taking the first step toward building a successful and skilled career. For any queries and concerns, kindly reach out to us at our toll-free numbers 8800055555 or 180012399626 or email us at apprenticeship@nsdcindia.org. You can also join our Facebook community page to stay connected and get the latest updates.